tap friends. Today I'm going to go over part 3 of Cruella De Vil, which is the same as part 1, so it's going to be a faster video, but I wanted to kind of go over pivot turns a little bit because I said I would, and I might need to tilt my camera up a little so you can see more of my body. So when we're doing a pivot turn, right, we talked about we're going to step forward and we're going to like squeeze our thighs together to help us rotate, opening our feet up to the side and then finishing parallel back, replacing weight over the front foot. Like we're going to walk, 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 but we're like walk, walk, pivot, turn, pivot, turn. But another way to help you use momentum and use your body more is to use these beautiful arms. So when you do it, you're going to step forward and you're almost going to bring the arm behind you that is not the direction you're turning, right? So we're turning that way. Is that right? My camera looks weird. Turning this way, so this arm is behind me and I'm going to whip it around as I turn, almost like I'm a military sergeant. Whew. And just turn. And as you see, when I use my arm, it makes me go a lot faster, whereas if I use my legs, it's a little slower because it's all dependent on the strength of my thighs. But if they're not like super strong, then I can use my arms to help me get all the way around. Whoosh. Same like when we cross our feet, you can bring your arm around and kind of twist it to help you. So like you're going to twist to unwind in those turns, but if you have your arm and you whip this one around, so much faster. So you just want to give a fast like punching action with your arms to help you gain momentum so you can turn. Woo! But yeah, that's kind of help with turns is your whole body should be engaged. You should be using your core, right? So this should be used. Your legs should be used, and your arms, which are connected to your core, will be used because, I mean, ideally the turn works because your arms are connected to your core. That's the purpose behind it. It's nice and it's creating this twisting action because you're connected to your core. Otherwise, if you're just using your arms, they're just kind of flailing and it's not going to bring your whole body around. The reason they work to bring your body around is because it's twisting your core. Hua, hua. And so it's engaged. So we can work on that more in class to help us get strength in our turns. But yeah, and I'm going to go through with music really fast. Part 1, part 2, and part 3. And part 3 really is just repeating part 1 all the way through. And she sings the same words in the song, just a little more flashy, I guess. So I'm going to play the music. I just realized I need to tilt my camera up higher or lower again because my feet were not in the camera. That's what you need to see. Anyways, here we go. Well, Part 1.
Cruella De Vil, Cruella De Vil. She doesn't stare, no evil thing will. To see her is to take a second chill. Cruella De Vil. The curl of her lips and the ice in her stare are innocent children that beware. She's like a siren bleeding for the kill. Look out for Cruella De Vil. When the world was such a wholesome place until Cruella.
Okay, so that was me running through the whole routine. I didn't call it out while I did it, so I apologize. But now I'll just walk through it without the music slowly so we can kind of hear it. But if you notice, part 1 and part 3 are the same. Exactly. And then part 4 I have done, and we'll teach it on Wednesday, because next Wednesday will be our Halloween party, and I'll talk about that in class, and gotta share with all our friends so that they come enjoy it with us. But I'm gonna walk through it slowly so you guys can dance along. We're gonna start with our 8 sassy walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross right, left, right. Ball change, left, right, left. Ball change, right, left, right. Ball change, left, right, left. Ball change, step left, shuffle, right, shuffle, up, right, down, right, upright, cross, turn, walk right, left, tap left, right, left, tap right, tap left, tap right, tap left, tap right, pivot, right, left, pivot, left, kick, right, kick, paradiddle, double paradiddle, double paradiddle, left toe, right toe, left toe, right toe, left, right, and dig, right, left, and dig, left, right, and scuff, right, left, and scuff, left shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle, right shuffle, left kick, right kick, left kick, right kick, and brush to the side, shuffle, 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 step, brush forward, brush side, shuffle, 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 step, shuffle, toe, shuffle, step, shuffle, toe, shuffle, step, stomp back, circle, circle. Get ready for part 1 to begin, and cross right, ball change, cross left, ball change, cross right, ball change, cross left, ball change, step left, shuffle, right, shuffle, up, right, down, right, upright, cross and turn, right, left, stomp, left, tap, right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, left, tap, pivot here, right, pivot on left, kick, right, kick. Woohoo! Okay, I'm going to do it one more time with music, and I'm going to try and call it out over everything. I don't know why my camera looks kind of weird today, but yeah, and then once I teach you part 3, I'll show you part 3, make a video for it. It's really simple, and then I'm just going to make like a review video, and I'll do it from the back and from the front, and I'm going to mirror it so that you can dance along with me and practice the arms. But anyways, let's have some fun. And if you want, I'll show you, I'll just dance to the end of the routine so you can see what the ending's going to look like. Okay.
Cruella De Vil, Cruella is a devil.
Paradiddle, paradiddle, paradiddle.
You come to realize you see her kind of eyes, watching you from underneath the wall. This vampire bat, this inhuman beast, she gotta be locked up and never released. The world is such a wholesome place until Cruella, Cruella De Vil.
Shuffle, 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 step, brush, brush. Shuffle, 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 step, shuffle, toe, shuffle, step, shuffle, toe, shuffle, step, step, roll. Get ready for part 1 again.
Cruella De Vil.
Go change, cross. Go change, cross. Go change, cross. Go change, step, shuffle, up, down, up, right, cross, turn, right, left, right, tap, left, right, left, tap, right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, left, tap, step, pivot, right, left, pivot, step, kick,
When the world was such a wholesome place until Cruella, Cruella. The world was such a wholesome place until Cruella, Cruella De Vil.
Not that you can see my arms, but it gives you a little bit of an idea. And maybe just for fun of it, I'll try and mirror it right now so you can see it from the front. We'll see how it goes. I'm trying to remember the footing when I mirror it, but we'll try it that way for you guys. Let me back this up and see if we can get more of my body in here. And also my feet. Let's see. You can't see my face, but that's okay. Here we go.
Cruella
maybe don't practice with that last one, but that just gives you more of an idea. And then next time you'll be able to, I'll make a better video because I'll practice it being mirrored, and you'll be able to just dance and practice the whole routine every day so that we're ready for our Halloween party next Wednesday, which is the 28th. Woo! Halloween party on the 28th. Come dressed up, ready to party. It's gonna be great. Anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you on Wednesday.